So I'm down here at Triumph Northridge Custom Cycles, and I bought this Triumph backpack. Isn't this cool? And the best part about it, it came with a free Scrambler 1200. Isn't that sweet?
Hey everyone, it's Caitlyn. So Chris is finally pulling the trigger, I think, on a new motorcycle, on the Scrambler 1200. So we are going to be riding my bike 2-up to the dealership and handling all of that. So hopefully they can get the bike ready to go and we can come back later. And I think we'll go grab some lunch in the meantime. So we're going to ride my bike 2-up. I don't feel comfortable being the rider, so I'm going to be the pillion on my own bike. And all that good stuff. And then later, hopefully we'll be riding around, me on my bike and him on his Scrambler 1200. Let's go.
Look at me, I'm a cruiser girl.
All right, let's go get you that bike. Oh, oh my Lord. Passenger on my own bike. I'm terrified. No, we've ridden with my bike before, the two of us, so. Woo! Woo! I like being the rider, but I do still like being the passenger. I got spoiled being a passenger for so long. But at least I have a backrest on my bike.
Yeah. Well, next time you're a passenger on my bike, it'll be more comfy.
Oh, I hope so.
But harder to get on.
This is the view I'm used to. Behind you. Not able to see anything. Ah, that's better. That's a little better. That's better.
This is going to be so weird because right now I'm like so cramped. And like when I stop and put my feet down, my legs are like so bent.
Your leg is so bent. Yeah. That's funny.
Pop! Pop!
Woo-wee!
Woo-hoo! Come on, little thunder!
Little thunder!
No hands. Your bike's pretty well balanced.
Little thunder, fuck yeah! Gonna pull up beside you and blast you out. I don't ideally want to do that again. The vibration on the back of the seat was so bad, my back was tingling and itchy.
What's that?
Let's go get you that motorcycle.
Oh, yeah.
Chris finally got the new Scrambler 1200. And he's super excited. And we're about to leave and go get some food now because I am starving.
This is just a temporary color. I will be, we're going to do some painting on this one. Yeah, it feels great.
You're gonna ride it probably around the world. You got the bike. Fuck yeah. You're gonna do a custom paint job as soon as possible.
Fuck yeah. Oh, I love it. Pretty straight leg. Yeah. Hey, girl. Their bike's so little. My bike's so big. You know what's funny is when I put my Triumph shirt on today, I did not know I was going to be buying a Triumph. Yes, thank you, sir. I do have a really cool bike. Thank you. Yep, you too, ma'am. Thank you. I know it's a cool bike. Thank you. But in all seriousness, I've been waiting to see about the newer Scrambler 1200s to see if there's any key changes or if it's just like emission stuff and tank colors. And sure enough, it's emission stuff and tank colors. And there's some cool tank colors, but I'm gonna do something custom anyway, so I grabbed it and saved some money. So it's brand new. Let's go for a ride.
You're ready to go? Chris is on his new Triumph Scrambler 1200, baby. All right. But we gotta stop and get gas first, because I always need gas.
By the way, I had it in sport mode yesterday when after you left. I went for a little ride.
Yeah.
Woo! It can pull. Ooh, I have a Scrambler 1200. Ooh. And I got the big boy one. So I got some plans for this bike, but I'm gonna keep them close to the chest right now. But some of the stuff I don't know yet. I gotta ride it around more and figure out what I don't like or do like. One of the things I can tell you right now I don't like is the foot pegs. Coming from my wider foot pegs, I'm used to those. These ones feel so narrow. Don't like that. God, look at it like that. It looks like a pretty big bike. I suppose it is a big bike. Let's see, can I do the dirt bike cheat?
What do y'all call it? The dirt bike cheat? What is it called?
I don't know. They're putting my foot on the curb. I learned it from Merrick. Get a bike, tall bike. Get a bike, tall bike. What's nice is we can take photos of our bikes side by side, and yours won't block my bike. Yeah, we're doing what? And then who? And then what we doing? And who we doing? And then what? And then who? And then who what? What? So we're going straight here. Oh. I didn't know because you didn't have your blinker on. I'm just going to park this right next to you. A toast to not just a new motorcycle, but a motorcycle that we've taken around the world.
Yeah. Hopefully not too up.
This be a celebration meal.
Sure.